Echo Yankee First Centre, roger, Mayday. There is no reported traffic in that area. If able, report safely on the water. Foxtrot Echo Yankee, if able, report POB. 510 125. I just got a carrier wave transmission. Did you get any voice on that transmission?
No, I didn't get anything either, but if you can vector us towards the position that you last had the aircraft, we're happy to fly over on the descent, tracking in to see if we can identify.
510 125, that position from the report and an unverified radar term was basically position mantle.
And Centre 510 125, the aircraft is exactly under our position now, probably 25 to 30 meters into the water, completely submerged. There are people on the beach. I can't determine whether there's anybody that's exited the aircraft just yet.
125, understood.
Centre 510 125, we're happy to continue orbiting in the area until you advise otherwise. Thank you. In that case, I'm happy to continue the left turn all the way to Canning Bridge and ready for descent when available. 510 125.